Hello, my name is Alexander the Great. I was born in 356 BC to the King of Macedonia, Philip II, and his wife Olympias. I was tutored by the Greek philosopher Aristotle. When I was 16, my father led an army into Thrace and left me in charge of Macedonia while he was gone. During this time, a Thracian tribe attempted to attack Macedonia, but I quickly got an army and fought back. When I was 20, my father was assassinated at my sister's wedding. I was quickly called successor to the throne by my father's army and nobles. I soon set out to destroy all enemies and potential rivals to the throne, and to stop a series of rebellions that had emerged after the death of my father. After this, I set out to conquer the Persian Empire, and I led my great army undefeated through the entire Asia Minor. During this, I was confronted by the Gordian knot in the Phrygian capital of Gordium. This knot was supposed to be unsolvable, and it had been said that whoever solved the knot would be the next king of Asia. I, of course, simply slashed through it with my sword. Overall, I led my army over 17,700 kilometers of land, founding 70 cities without defeat. Oh, that's my empire, by the way. And that's why I am considered one of the greatest generals to have ever lived. Hence why I am called great. Understandably.